So I think I found the perfect oil filter cutting tool, and this is the oil cartridge style filters on Amazon. We'll get right into it. So this is it. Like I said, I got it on Amazon. It's a company called Gear Roll. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. But this tool is good for filters with a diameter of 3/8 all the way up to 5 inches. So we'll get right into this. So the reason why I think this is the perfect kit to cut oil cartridge style oil filters is because it has safety, convenience, and longevity in mind. It comes with gloves. So if you've cut oil filters before, you know once you cut them, it creates that sharp lip on the cut part of the oil filter. You cut your hands. These are actually seem like some pretty heavy duty gloves. It's got some nice grip to them. So it comes with gloves. It comes with a bracket. So if you've got a table vise, as you can see, and you've probably already seen in my other videos, I've been demoted down to a plastic folding table for a bench, but you know, life happens and it is what it is. But you're able to put this black angle iron piece on the end of it, on the end of the tool, and here's the tool. Comes in some nice packaging. So you're able to put this tool on the end right here, and then you're able to put it in a table vise. So you're able to clamp the tool down in your vise while you're cutting the oil filter. So that's one nice convenience. The other thing too is it comes with an extra blade. It comes with an extra blade. And that blade is just right here. It's just one. And then you've got the roller bearings on the ends. So it's just got one blade. It also comes with the tools. So it comes with 2 Allen tools, Allen wrenches, to replace the blades, or to, I believe these are to put either to replace the blades or to put this tool on. And you can actually adjust how wide this opening is. You can actually take these roller bearings off on the back right here by the Allen bolt, and then up here, and you can actually set these up here so you've got a wider opening for bigger filters. And like I said, this works for oil filters with the diameter of 2 3/8 and all the way up to 5 inch. So, and this also comes in 3 different colors. I went ahead and got the blue one. This comes in blue, red, and black. And it's got the nice knurled handle, so you got good grip whenever you're tightening down on the oil filter. Nice aluminum. Yeah, it's pretty cool. 3 different colors. Like I said, I went ahead and got the blue one. Now in my last video, I actually tried a exhaust pipe cutting tool, which is this right here. It's by Maddox. It's from Harbor Freight. I made a previous video about this. It was a fail. I mean, I was able to get the oil filter cut open, but it's not near as efficient as I thought it would be. So I went ahead and picked this tool up. And actually in that video I mentioned that the only ones I could find, the cheapest ones I could find to cut oil filters were about $50. And I did a little more research after that last video with that tool, and I actually came across this, and this is like a lot cheaper. So we're gonna go ahead and try this tool out on this tiny oil filter from a 1ZZFE engine by Toyota. Now this oil filter is probably the equivalent size to a riding mower, so this oil filter cutting tool should work on riding mowers as well, and of course on small engines like in the 1ZZFE. So we're gonna give these gloves they came with a whirl, see how they fit, and try them out, because why not? Pretty nice for universal size gloves. They don't come in different sizes. This is the only size they come in, but I mean, I'm assuming this is probably a large in the glove department. So we're gonna go ahead and turn this out. I'm gonna open it up just a wee bit so we can get this around here. And actually, you can even cut oil filters smaller than this. I've still got to wind this thing out a ways. Let's try that. Oh yeah, there we go. So I'm assuming you just want to get the tool flush right on the top, and you want to press it against the bearings, those roller bearings. And this would be a lot easier in a vise, but now we're going to tighten this till that blade just barely touches. And then we're going to tighten it a little more. And then we're going to twist. So I'm not going to grab on the handle because this bolt is pretty slim. So we're actually going to grab it right here. It's got some more meat on it. And we're just going to turn it. I'm going to tighten this a little more. And keep turning it. Tighten it a little more. Oh yeah, and these gloves definitely do help out a lot with grip in this, especially if you still got oil on the side of your oil filter. So we're just going to keep working this. Ooh, there we go. We're going to crank this back a little bit. We're going to run it back. It's like popping a top on a soda or a beer, whatever you prefer. So we're going to twist this back. Yeah, that cut it, right? Yeah. That had no problems cutting it. Oh, got a little spillage. Yeah, that had no problems cutting this thing. Yeah, and the nice thing about these gloves, like I said before, is this is sharp now, so you want to be extra careful. Just going to go ahead and bend this back. Yeah, that cut it, no problem. Nice clean cut. Doesn't look like there's any jagged edges. Nice clean cut. And it cut it exactly where we wanted it. So we can just lift this oil filter right out of the housing. No problems. That is awesome. So I'm actually very impressed with the quality of that and how well it actually cut. Compared to the last video when I tried using an exhaust pipe cutter. I mean, it cut it, but not very well. But yeah, this did wonders compared to the last video with the, like I said, the exhaust pipe cutter. But like I said, it comes in 3 different colors. I think it's pretty nice. Less than 20 bucks for this. You've got the tool, you've got extra blades, you even get an extra mounting point to mount it in a vise so you don't have to hold it with both hands like I was earlier. You get gloves with it. You get the tools to replace the blades and to work on the thing. Plus 3 different colors. I think this would be a nice tool to throw in your toolbox, especially if you work on your own cars a lot and you change your own oil and you want to find out, what's going on inside your engine, How clean is your filter filtering out your oil, or what kind of contaminants you got going on inside there. You can open up your oil filter. You can check it out. I think this is a pretty handy tool. I think every mechanic or DIYer or weekend warrior with a pocket shirt, I think everyone should own something like this. If you are interested in this, I will have an affiliate link in the description where you can go ahead and pick one of these up. Like I said, it comes in blue, black, and red. I went ahead and got the blue one. Yeah, I think this is an awesome tool. I'm very impressed with this. We will be using this a lot more. I think the next time you'll see this tool being used is when we change the oil in the bulletproof 543 valve. On that last video with the exhaust pipe cutter, that's the oil filter we actually cut open with that tool. That was on its first oil change. Now we're on its second oil change. And we're going to go ahead and use this tool and open that oil filter up as well as all the oil filters that we change the oil in. We're going to go ahead and use this tool and check check everything out, make sure it's filtering out right, and just to get a better visual of what's going on inside there. But yeah, hopefully I'm pronouncing the company right. It's right there on the tool. Gear all or gear roll. I'm not quite sure. But yeah, nice aluminum. I'm very impressed with this tool. If you end up getting one of these tools, let me know what you think of it. I think it's a good buy, and I think it's a very good tool to have in your toolbox. And whether you're working on cars or even riding mowers, you know, this thing will cut down to the size of a riding mower oil filter, so you'll be able to open up your riding mower engine oil filters and check out and see what's going on inside those. So, but that'll do it for this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you consider subscribing, and we'll see you on the next one. So this is the casing of that oil filter. See all them chunks? It's like carbon buildup.